Hi friends, welcome back. So today we are going to learn one more feature in SwiftUI and see how we can do that. So before getting started, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel where I usually post updates whenever I get chance to learn something new in SwiftUI, and I try to share that with you all. So on my channel you can see that I have created two projects and there are multiple features which I have created here, and also you can check my popular videos here. So that's about my channel. Also, you if you want to follow me on Stack Overflow, LinkedIn, Twitter, or this is Instagram, GitHub, you can get those links here. So let's get started and see what we are going to create today. So today I'm going to tell you how you can, on click of a button, open a new view in a full screen. So this is a model view which I have presented completely from edge to edge. Normally it is not full at the end of top end, but now it's coming till the top end. So today we are going to see how we can do that, and on tap of close, how to close that view again. So like always, let's start with creating a new project in Xcode beta. So let's name our project as, okay, wait just a minute. Yeah, let's name. So currently it's working a little slow. Okay, so we will select a new project, and once it launch, me full size the view, select iOS here, app, then let's say model demo, make sure the settings are like this, click next, and let's save it on our computer. Okay, so let me just confirm whether it's working fine by clicking the resume button here. Also let me increase the font size by clicking command plus so that it will be easy for you all to see. Okay, so I think we can, until it is built, we can start exploring what we are going to do. So since you can see here, when I click on this button present my view, I am presenting one more screen, which is full screen view I am calling it. So let's create that view first. So let's click here and create a new file. It will be a Swift UI file. So select this, click next. Let's name it as full screen view. Press enter to create the file. So this is my file. For now I will name it as full screen view. Okay, you can name it anything you want. So let's now come here in the main view and let's write the code. So let me just remove this previous code and we can start by adding a button, which is nothing but this present my view. So I will take a VStack first. Inside the VStack I will have my button, and this button will be having a title present my view, and for action I need to perform some operations. So before doing that, let me show you one thing, how you can present something in a full screen view. So for your VStack, what you want to do is you want to give this modifier, which is full screen cover. Inside this we have two options. This is presented and content, that is what we are going to use. For is presented we have to pass some value, true or false. So for that we need to create a state property first. So let's create that, add state private where, let's name it as is presented, and by default we will set it to false. Then we need to change that value here. So let's do that, is presented dot toggle, which will change the value from false to true, and next time when you click it, it will convert it from true to false. Okay, now we have that value. So is presented, we have to use that here. So let's use it, is presented. And on dismiss, what we have to do is here we have to pass the we don't want to use anything for the dismiss, so we will not use that. So let me just write this part again where I just want to use content, and for content I will present my full screen view, which we have created at the start here, this. Okay, so let's click resume and see if we can see our button here. Okay, so build is succeeded and we can see our text class button. Let's run it and see if we can present that view. Okay, on click of button you can see it's completely coming the new view, but since it is also having the white background we are not able to see it properly. So let's modify our full screen view. Okay, so inside this I will remove this for now, and what I will do is I will add some more things like VStack. And as we know that whenever we present it we want this close button here, so I will use an HStack first. HStack, and inside HStack I need to create a button. This button will have a title as close. Okay, let me just click here, try again. Then this button will have some action. As you can see, we can see our view. Then this button again I need to give a frame and some background also to this, but before doing that let me just add here an environmental variable, because whenever I say here is presented value true, this value I am sending there, and then I need to make it false so that that view will get closed. But to send this value from here to there I need to accept this value here. So for that I will create an @environment object here, property, which will be like this dot presentation mode, which is nothing but our object to handle the present and pop operation for this view. So once I change the value of this object I will able to close the view. So that simply we have to do it inside the close button action. So let's do that. Object dot wrapped value dot dismiss. So by just doing this much you are directly closing that view. So let's give our button some color. So for that what we can do is first we need to add some text also on our view. So I will add this one which we had previously, full screen view. And then for our VStack we have to give some frame also here, frame. And here for the frame I don't want to use only width, I will use max width and max height. So this is basically telling that how much maximum width and height for you for the view you want. So I will say dot infinity for both. Okay, and I don't need alignment, so we can remove that code. Okay, this is done. Then also we need to give some different background for our this view. So I will say color dot blue, and since this is blue we will give our this button some different foreground color, maybe white. Okay, and let's add some padding also here. And since our this view is exactly at the center, the close button, we want it on little bit side. So what we can do is we can add a spacer here. Okay, just a minute. Which will shift our close button to the corner. Okay, so now let's run it again and see how it looks. Okay, so this is looking better. Now let's come to our main content view. It's running. Let's see how it works now. Click on present, it will present the view completely, and now we have given a blue background so we can see how it present from bottom to up, that is modally. And once I click on the close button it closes it. So this is how you can just present any view modally full screen in SwiftUI. So I hope you guys have learned something new today, and if you like this video make sure you hit the like button, and to get more videos like this make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.